Which beaters do I want to put on today? Damn, the Bordeaux. Smack these. This is the new beaters right here. Ah, that 1 foot slip on. Like that. Ah. Damn. Honestly, guys, I'm just gonna accept the fact that once you have a car like this, and you have a daily, that daily doesn't really become a daily anymore. This kind of becomes your daily. I mean, shit, man, I can't help it, bro. Like, look at this car. Like, how could you not want to drive this thing every day? Honestly, I just make a lot of content with it. I'm always normally doing something to it or with it, so it's like I'm always driving it. I'm just trying to enjoy it for now because it's probably gonna be gone for a week or so. I need to get the front bumper rewrapped, and I need to take it to my other boy, get it PPF'd. Also need to take this thing in for service. I need to do the trans, like diff, all the fluids. I need to flush everything because it's over 20,000 miles now, so I'll feel a little bit better about myself if I flush all the fluids because I don't know when it was last done. It's just a blessing, man, to be able to like have the opportunity to drive a car like this every day. It's crazy, man. Forever thankful, like for real. One of my favorite parts, and I reach for the clutch again like a dumbass. How you like that 100 octane, puta? That shit tastes good, huh? Expensive ass hoe. Yeah, this that girl. When you take her out and she gonna order the most expensive wine. Giara. Alright guys, so finally we're gonna give you an update on the S15. Nothing's really happened with it since I put the motor in. My boy's a one-man shop and he's had a lot of other projects, so I haven't really been pressuring him to finish it. So now he pushed some stuff to the side so we can really get started on it and finish it up. When I get that thing finished, it's gonna be a whole different car. It's crazy. I really miss the S15, bro. I like how he has a dip and a speed bump at the bottom. Like, what kind of fuckery? Guys, you have to see this titanium exhaust he did for this Polaris. It's crazy. I've never seen one like this on a Polaris before.
I'm gonna need everything hooked up as much as I can. That way, when we make the kit, we would know what we would have to go around. I know George always likes to have everything equal length, but this one, if we're gonna put a turbo on the side, I mean, this one's obviously gonna be a little bit longer, going to the hot side inlet. So, but I mean, the V8s do it a lot.
Yeah.
You know, because if we were gonna place a turbo in here in order to have equal length distribution, then there wouldn't be that much room because you have your radiator here, and then your fans extend a little bit more. So there's really no placement for a turbo there.
Damn, guys. I miss this thing, I ain't gonna lie to you, fam. You miss me? Yeah, I know. Yeah, she's dead right now. She needed a heart transplant, but she's gonna live. She's gonna live. So yeah, guys, we have the VHR motor in. Brand new VHR trans. Here, I believe this is, I don't want to say the world's first, but S15 Spec car, VHR swapped. It is going to be single turbo. That's why it's here. My boy Charles over here is going to be making the turbo kit. It's going to be very nice. We're going to be doing titanium piping. Charge pipes going to be titanium. Turbo is going to be sitting somewhere around here. The manifold is going to be kind of like how George's is on S370, pretty much flipped. And yeah, it's going to be pretty sick. The only thing about this motor, it's super tall for this car. The hood's probably maybe gonna close. I'm not 100% sure. We haven't tried it. If not, then you know, just run a small spacer for the hood. That should be fine. But obviously you can see that oil pan sits really low. So no more fitted kicks. I have about 3.5 maybe inches of clearance from the oil pan to the ground, which is kind of scary. You're probably gonna be raising the car. I don't want to. I really love the fitment that I have. It looks great. I'm not trying to smack the oil pan and then there goes the motor. So I think if I raise it about 1/2 inch, we should be good. Maybe go with like a meteor tire up front or just pull the camber out. I don't know. We'll figure that out later. I'm not too worried about that. But yeah, this thing's gonna look sick. I know a lot of people were butthurt. Oh, you took the SR20 out, bro. It's not original no more. Like, I really don't care. I don't care about an SR20. Like I said, you guys know that I'm not a huge fan for 4 cylinders. They're cool. I mean, 4G63, the Evo was dope, but besides that, like, I don't know. I don't really care for 4 cylinders, so I wanted this car strictly for the car. I just love the body, the style, S15 Spec R. It's just a perfect stock, like, looking JDM car, so doesn't need much, man. I have the aero kit I still need to throw on it. Front lip, the rear pods. I might get those all painted, get that on the car, but yeah. So we ordered all the parts, so all the titanium piping, etc. Got to do a different intercooler. I can't use this one anymore. And yeah, he's gonna have to be cutting a few things possibly. He's probably gonna have to be cutting a few things to make all this work, but yeah, it's gonna be really sick. I'm still gonna be able to use my Tome. We're gonna be throwing the downpipe through there, so excited, man. It's gonna be stock block. I'm probably gonna keep it around 500. That should be plenty enough for this car. This car's like 2,700 pounds. Keep these cheap Chinese tires on here. It's just gonna be spinning anyways at 500, so should be fun to drive. I mean, it'll look faster than it is. Maybe for shits and giggles, I'll swap on a little stickier tire so we can get some traction, have some fun with it. Because I do got that VHR trans, you know. Could bang some gears in this joint. Very nice. Yeah, I miss this thing, man. I really miss driving it. I miss this joint. This shit was a pain in the ass for them to get in the car, bro. Like, look at the fitment. Cause this damn VVL shit on the back of the motor, it's all bad, bro. So yeah, if this thing ever blows up, it's gonna be a pain in the ass to pull it back out. High 400s, 500, that's completely fine with me. I just want this thing to run, have decent power. The car's already sick, like, I don't care to race people in it, do none of that shit. I just want it to look good and sound good and have some power. He's gonna pretty much close down shop and just only work on this. So I would say at least a month, guys, on this. I just need George to do all the wiring, and then I'll be able to do a startup, get this thing on the dyno, make some power, and have some fun with it. Spec R, Sylvia, S15 boys. Sick. One of the sickest cars, man. Hey, we're gonna go check out this exhaust he did for this. Insane. Never seen nothing like this on the Polaris. Sick.
Never seen before design.
That's crazy, man. This is badass.
Is it a startup?
Yeah. That's so sick. I'm about to put these coils on my Z. Sheesh, need that. Start up on this joint? The Tome, dog. On 100 octane, dog. I smelled it. Alright guys, so yep, that's that. I will be coming back here soon, giving you guys some updates once he finishes the manifolds. Then probably starts the piping. I'll come back so we can get a little titanium action. Pretty much all the charge pipes and piping is gonna look just like that Polaris outside, so it's just gonna obviously look pretty sick. Excited, can't wait. I miss driving this thing. I know you guys miss it too. Trust me, I miss it. So since this shop isn't too far from Redlands, I'm gonna go fill up with 100, as your boy needs that. I just filled this thing up last night, bro. I'm actually going to pick up my injectors and fill pumps tonight with my boy, so for sure going to 85 soon. I can't afford this 100, I'm not gonna lie. Damn, it's a little bit cheaper over here, but this station's still like low-key hella out of my way. If I'm not in the area, it's out of my way, out of my way. Elote soon. That Gucci wallet though.